The Lord will bestow His bounty, and our earth shall yield its increase. You have blessed, O Lord, your land. You have brought back the captives of Jacob. You have forgiven the guilt of your people. Show us, O Lord, your mercy, and grant us your salvation. I will hear what God will speak, for He will speak peace to His people. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen. The Lord will